The Boy Who Cried Wolf, a story about honesty. Welcome, everyone. In today's video, we're going to hear a classic story that teaches us a very important lesson. It's called The Boy Who Cried Wolf. Not only will we learn about honesty, but we'll also improve our English together. Ready? Let's dive in. A long time ago, in a peaceful village, there was a young shepherd boy. His job was simple: watch the sheep and protect them from danger. But the boy got very bored. Every day, he did the same thing. He wanted something exciting to happen. One day, the boy had an idea. He ran to the village, shouting, "Wolf, wolf, a wolf is attacking the sheep." The villagers quickly grabbed their tools and rushed to the field, ready to fight the wolf. When the villagers arrived, they saw no wolf. The boy laughed and said, "It was just a joke. There is no wolf." The villagers were not happy, but they left, thinking it was just a trick. A few days later, the boy got bored again. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf." The villagers rushed to the field once more, but again, there was no wolf. The boy laughed and said, "I tricked you again." The villagers warned him not to do it again. But one day, something terrible happened. A real wolf appeared and started attacking the sheep. The boy screamed, "Wolf, wolf, please help." But this time, the villagers didn't come. They thought the boy was just lying again. The wolf attacked the sheep, and the boy lost many of them. He learned a hard lesson. When you lie too many times, people stop believing you. The boy was sad, but it was too late. The damage had been done. The moral of the story is simple: honesty is the best policy. If you lie too often, no one will trust you when you tell the truth. Always be honest and people will believe you. So, remember, honesty is not just about telling the truth, but also about building trust with others. If you want people to believe you, always be truthful. Thanks for watching. If you like this story, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with friends, and subscribe for more lessons in English and life.